guys, so I am back today with another Daiso haul. I went to my local Daiso store just yesterday and I found a lot of Sanrio stuff, and I am super excited to share with you guys what we got here. So if you're ready, we're just gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna push these bags out of the frame and we're just gonna go one by one. So the first two things that we got here are these Hello Kitty mug covers. Apparently there are a ton of bugs here in Texas, so I just wanted to get these to cover my drinks with, just so that, you know, we're safe and don't have little creatures crawling inside our drinks. So the first one here is this tan beige color with a lot of pinks. Hello Kitty, of course, and then it says it's delicious, you have a way of brightening my day, and then it's like a lot of donuts and pastries here, super cute. And then this one is the exact same one, except this is a pink color. So yep, super cute and very functional as well. The next two are these Sanrio characters magnetic hook. I just wanted to get these to hook up to my bathroom or the doors, just so we have something that we can use to hang our towels or, you know, clothes with. And again, very cute. So this one has Hello Kitty and the rest of the Sanrio characters. It's white. And then this one, it's a different design completely, so just thought I'll go ahead and pick up both. Next one is this Hello Kitty cap and straw set. This is used for water bottles. I think this is very useful for when you have people over your house and you want to differentiate which bottle of water is yours, so you know you can tell that's yours because it has a Hello Kitty cap on it. So super cute. And next up we have this Hello Kitty magnetic clip. Just thought that these would go really nice on my refrigerator. It's just to hang some important documents or paper or due dates. And you know, it's white Hello Kitty and has a bow. Cute. And next up we have this My Melody little wash cup. I thought that this would be really cute for my bathroom to, you know, rinse when you're brushing your teeth. And here the quote says, "A sweet smile, a pretty melody." Just love this. Very cute. Sorry that I keep saying cute, but you know, obviously Hello Kitty, Sanrio, very cute. Next up we have this Rilakkuma Air Freshener. You guys know that I do have a little soft spot for Rilakkuma as well. I don't know what scent this is just yet, but as soon as I find out, I will let you guys know. Next up we have this Hello Kitty accessory case. I have no idea what I'm going to put inside just yet. I'm thinking of little pills that I want to bring with me. Maybe like some ibuprofen, Advil. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to use any accessories because I really don't wear any accessories. If I do, they're already on my body. So, and then for hair accessories, I really don't do much with my hair anyways. If I do something, it's in ponytail or bun. So, yeah. So the next three items go together. The first one we have here is this Hello Kitty chopsticks with cover set. So it's pink, and this is great for when, you know, you're packing lunch to school or work. Very cute. It's pink and white. Like I said, these three are basically a set. This one is the spoon with case. Again, same print. And then this one is a fork. I wish that this case would be pink as well, just to, you know, match the pink and white. But obviously the handles are the same, so it's basically from the same set. But I just don't understand why they didn't go with the pink, but nevertheless it's still very, very cute. Here we have a calculator. I'm actually going through training and licensing at my new job, and we do need to use a calculator for some basic equations. So I went ahead and picked this one up. This is white and marble, so that's very cute, and also again very functional. And the last thing that we have here today is this Disney storage box with lid. I actually got 3 of these type of storage boxes at IKEA. It's very simple. It's like a plain plaid, not even plaid. It's white and then has like very minimal stripes. It has the same function to store whatever you want. For me, I put my extra clothes in there that I want to store away. But I went to Daiso and I saw this one, so I was like, oh my gosh, Disney. So I just went ahead and just picked up another one for more clothes to store in the future. Okay, so that is it for my Daiso haul today. I hope you guys did enjoy watching what I got. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel for more future videos like this. I will see you guys next time. Bye!